Dairy Data Warehouse is a Dutch company that offers solutions for sustainable dairy. I'm Fernando Maceres, Managing Director of Dairy Data Warehouse. We basically specialize in dairy data. We empower customer services through our powerful data solutions to support smarter data-driven decisions.
My name is Roel Roelofs and I'm heading the Product Management and Development Department at Dairy Data Warehouse. The biggest challenges facing the dairy industry today is that more and more farmers are using a combination of different systems and data sources. Each system captures valuable information in its own format and on its own terms. On top of this data being scattered across different systems, it's often stored locally on a farm PC. In case systems are connected, it's usually only a limited connection regarding basic animal data, but not bringing all data together. This results in inconsistent data, incomplete insights, and a huge headache for anyone trying to make sense of the full farm operation.
With our unique plug-and-play technology, farmers are able to share their data in a way safely with people that is normally helping them on their daily basis. This technology extracts, cleans, and standardizes data across different herds and makes it data-ready available to be used by our customers.
Dairy Data Warehouse has years of experience applying AI to the dairy sector, backed by one of the world's richest dairy databases. Our AI-powered platform Predicta gives visibility of the future of a dairy farm. It provides predictions and prescriptions to enable and simplify data-driven, foresightful, and optimized dairy herd management. From predicting transition cow diseases at dry-off to optimizing inventory and milk production planning. Predicta delivers early alerts and prescriptive guidance that supports more efficient and sustainable herd management towards the desired outcome.
Supporting a data flow daily from all the farms that are connected on our platform, we manage one of the largest global dairy databases that allow our customers to run comparisons, benchmarking, and work with insights. This will be able to make them more productive, efficient, and sustainable.